Every great innovator starts with a question. What if? How does it work? Can I build it better? At STEM Coders' Skill Explorer program, curiosity turns into creativity, and ideas transform into real-world innovations. Designed for students from grades 1 to 12, our hands-on learning program empowers children with future-ready skills through exciting projects and real-world experiences. Students explore artificial intelligence, Python coding, 3D designing, electronics, robotics, data science, and emerging technologies in a fun and engaging way. Through project-based learning, students develop essential 21st century skills, including creativity, critical thinking, problem-solving, innovation, collaboration, communication, and entrepreneurial thinking, while creating impactful, real-world solutions. Learn today, lead tomorrow.